Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Kia XCeed 1.5 T-GDi for DCT. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your LED bi-function projection headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch 5Y-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the white exterior colour. This vehicle also has keyless entry, which allows you to lock or unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that extra passenger. As well as this, the rear outer seats are also heated, ideal for those colder days. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The driver's seat in this vehicle is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and once you've found it you are also able to save it, as it is a memory seat as well. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your hands-free options, volume controls, voice control and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 25,506 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, along with Android Auto and Apple Carplay connectivity via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And you also have a rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. The front seats are also heated with a heated steering wheel, and as well as being ventilated front seats. This has been a presentation on the Kia XCeed 1.5 T-GDi for DCT that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.